Welcome back to DoorKing Tech Tips. Today we will be registering your new DoorKing 2334 VoIP and data device for your 30 series control board. Let's get started by going to DoorKing.com. Then click on Register Your Software in the top center. Here on the registration page, you can either log into your previous account on the left to add your new 2334 device, or create a new profile by clicking I am DKS VoIP. In this video we will be creating a new profile from scratch, so if you already have an IM server account, skip ahead to adding the system. You will now be asked to fill out your profile. When filling out your profile, the email, user ID, and password section are all case sensitive. Also be sure to select a user ID carefully, as this cannot be changed. We recommend something that references the property or company. Once filled out, click the register button at the bottom. If the register button does not work, check that your email and password match. The next part of the registration is selecting the type of registration. For the 2334 VoIP voice and data connection, we will be selecting the first option. After selecting your option, you will then need to check the box at the bottom after reading and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once done, click Continue at the bottom of the page. You will now be asked to enter your entry system. First, you will need to select the type of service. We will be using voice and data. You will then need the VoIP ID off the 2334 device located on the inside of the box as shown here, along with the master code the installer programmed in the system. After entering your VoIP ID and master code, go ahead and select an area code where you would like the phone number to be selected from. Then name your account. After naming your account, click the Add button to add the system to your profile. With the system now added, make note of the phone number your system was given, as this number will need to be given to your installer to be inputted into your 1830 series controller. All that's left now is the checkout. Click Checkout at the bottom of the screen to be directed to the billing page. Here you will see an activation summary showing what has been added and the projected annual cost. Go ahead and make a selection or close the window to change your options. As you can see, there are a few other billing options to choose from. Once you have completed your checkout and your installer has programmed the DKS VoIP phone number into your 1830 series controller, your system will be ready to go. And we'll see you next time for more DoorKing Tech Tips.